Hello, it's Diane again, and today we're going to do the Brother sewing machine. This has 27 built-in stitches. Has a very nice design on it. Of course, my favorite color is purple, so it just really goes right along with me. It is lightweight, considering this pops out to use as a free arm. You can also use this as storage. I'm really not thrilled with that storage because I think things are going to fall out too easily. I already have it set up to wind a bobbin. Just in the sake of time, got to turn it on and press lightly, and then you snip it off, and it winds the bobbin. Okay, and I'm going to pause this for a second. Okay, I finished winding the bobbin. Now I'm going to show how quick and easy it is to thread this machine. And actually, I was going to do this with a different color, but anyway, you run it down through here and up, and you come back down, and really need two hands for this part because you have to hook it underneath here. Well, we'll pause again so that I can get this hooked up. Thanks. Okay, I have it threaded. This little piece is a needle threader, which is an awesome feature because it's so much easier. There's right here is a thread cutter, and this happens to have a one-step, I guess that's what they call it, a one-step bobbin. But anyway, you drop it in, make sure that your thread is off to the left. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. You thread it through here, and you cut off that, but and there we go. It's all set. Okay, sorry for the delay. I have it all threaded. The bobbin is in. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Pull the thread up here, and there it is. Okay, so that's all set. This is for your upper thread tension. This is your stitch width and your stitch length buttons, or wheels. And I have this handy dandy little piece of fabric here that I'm going to sew a few stitches with. And we need to hold this, and generally you start the wheel with your hand. Here is the reverse. And take this out. And there are those stitches. Obviously need to adjust my tension on here because the stitches aren't very good. But in sake of time, it does come with a reference guide, a DVD, and it's an awesome machine. I would certainly recommend it. Thanks.